happens when we read in books? You say cheese.
Cheese.
And on your birthday, you get presents.
Choo choo.
Let's see it.
Look at
Horn, that's
Horn,
right.
You're right. I had an air horn application on my phone and I blew it, and he was like,
Jonathan, you did an amazing job.
Look at that. Oh, you put it right back.
He's like, I don't want to mess anything up.
He's like, it's in my house. Xander, it's for you.
He probably thinks, so they take this from Joseph Bass.
Yeah. Horn.
He's like, wait a minute. What's that in the way?
The one that isn't Beth doesn't do this.
He's probably not used to it because you don't have to fight over trains with kids.
Hmm.
Bridge.
It's a bridge.
Watch this.
He's like so pissed.
It's going high now.
Uh-huh.
Mountain.
Going through a mountain.
That's funny. He's like, just dance on it.
No. Oops. There you go. Oops. Oops. There you go. You fixed it.
Did I say that door actually popped open?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cool.
Can you help him turn it?
Sure, Xander, look. If you turn it like this, Choo Choo can go in and go night-night. Look, do you want to open up the door? Huh? You can open the door. No. We'll close it up.
You're just gonna hear the same noise over and over again. Like, oops, I gotta do it again.
Slide, huh?
Go through the bridge. Go through the bridge, Xander.
Wow.
Lights, that's right. Wow.
Do you like your birthday present, Xander?
Beep. Horn.
I think he really likes it.
Did you see he went down the stairs? He's like, is that what I think it is? He's like, he kept looking at it like, no, it can't be. Not in my house. And he's like,
Choo Choo.
choo choo.
Is that a helicopter?
Does it fly? That's right. That's right. It spins and goes in the air. It makes. Mm-hmm. Wow. You got your own helicopter too with your train.